A very good day to you. I am Siau. I would like to present my final year project entitled Mathematical Modeling and Analyzing Population Dynamics of Cardiovascular Disease. What is cardiovascular disease? CVD. are defined in the simplest way as heart and blood vessel disease. CVD include coronary heart disease, CHD, cerebral vascular accident, CVA, peripheral artery disease, PAD, and rheumatic heart disease, RHD, and other conditions. Cardiovascular disease are the major cause of mortality in the world based on WHO in 2017. Cardiovascular disease is the biggest killer in the world. It has been the leading cause of death in the world for 15 years. So in Malaysia, a total of 16,325 people died in 2019 because of ischemic heart disease. It means that averaging 45 deaths in a day. Therefore, a mathematical model is introduced to examine the dynamic of cardiovascular disease. There are three objectives in my study. The first one is to develop a mathematical model of population dynamics for the cardiovascular disease. And the second one is to find the equilibrium points of the developed model. And the third one is to conduct the stability analysis of the mathematical model. And there are three studies that I use for my literature review. The first study developed a model to identify resource costs and health benefits of implementing guidelines for the prevention of cardiovascular disease in primary care. And the second study used decision tree method to diagnose patients with heart disease. And the third study developed a dynamic assessment model of coronary heart disease for ubiquitous healthcare. And there are three methodologies that I used for my study. The first one is the compartmental mathematical model. In the figure show that the simple compartmental model proposed by Garnet. And the second one is to find the equilibrium point. To find the equilibrium point, we need to assume all the ordinary differential equations in the system equal to 0. And the third one is to conduct local stability analysis by using Jacobian metric and Rothe-Hurwitz criteria. And the result part, the compartmental model proposed for my study is shown as, and the schematic diagram of the model shows the relationship of the subpopulation. And here are the parameters represented in the schematic diagram. And the equation from the schematic diagram is shown as below. So there are three differential equations formed. The positive sign indicates the error in for the population, and the negative sign indicate the out error of the population. And there are two equilibrium points exist in this model, which is equilibrium 1 and equilibrium 2. Equilibrium 1 consists of x1, y1, and z1, and equilibrium 2 consists of x2, y2, and z2. So local stability analysis is conducted by using Jacobian metric and Rothe-Hurwitz criteria. And we can achieve locally asymptotically stability if certain conditions are satisfied. So as a conclusion, the purpose of this project is to introduce a cardiovascular disease model, and we have generated a nonlinear cardiovascular disease model which consists of three state variables x, y, and z. And we have examined the existence of the equilibrium points, and we found that two equilibrium points exist in the model proposed. And we determine the stability of equilibrium point by using Jacobian metric and Rothe-Hurwitz criteria. We can achieve the locally asymptotically stability if certain conditions are satisfied. That is all from me. Thank you.